For number 3, we are going to determine that conjecture is true or false. If it's false, we have to give a counterexample. The first one, STU are collinear, where ST is congruent to TU, then T is the midpoint of SU. So let's draw it. This would be STU, S and T, and T is in the middle of SU. So this is true. The two criteria is that they all have to be collinear, and you have to know that T is the midpoint. That's what makes it true. Next, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Then angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair. All you have to do is show one example. So here I'm going to draw the two angles. Angle 2 and angle 1 here are adjacent. They are adjacent because they share this common ray. However, this does not form a linear pair. So this becomes a counterexample, making the statement false. Next, if GH and JK form a right angle and intersects at P, the line GH segment is perpendicular to line segment JK. So this would be true because no matter how I draw it, this is GH and this is JK. No matter how I draw it, they will always intersect at 90 degrees.